Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have admin rights and that unsaved work is saved. This avoids data loss. Once done, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S or by right-clicking the taskbar because it launches directly. You land on the Processes tab, look for high CPU, memory, or disk percentages to find resource hogs. Make quick visual checks first, then sort columns to bring the most expensive processes to the top so you can act with confidence. Now diagnose. Sort by CPU, memory, or disk to see what's driving system load because ordering reveals priorities immediately. You can right-click any process to end task, open its file location, or search online for context. These options help decide if termination is safe. Once you need precision, switch to the Details tab to note PID, set processor affinity, or adjust priority, but be careful when lowering system service priorities. Make measured changes and observe system responses. Finish by checking the Performance tab to confirm CPU, memory, and disk metrics improved. This proves your actions worked. You should record problematic PIDs or app names for recurring issues and plan automation or updates to prevent repeats. If things go wrong, reboot first to clear transient states, then run a malware scan and update drivers or the app. This fixes many stubborn problems. Finally, make small, reversible changes so you can back out quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.